Now, cementite. I have already discussed what is cementite. Okay, so this is the formed when the carbon forms the different combinations with the iron in the form of iron carbides, which are extremely hard in nature. So as we talk about the ferrite, ferrite has a nature of very soft, right? Though, and whereas cementite has a very hard natures. Okay, cementite increases generally with the increase in the carbon percentage. It is found in steel containing more than the 0.8% of carbon. So the when I mean, what is steel? Steel means 0 to 2% incorporation of carbon into the iron is known as steel. So at what percentage this particular name phase of iron carbon that we will get, only 0.8% of carbon is mixed. Okay. The brittleness and hardness of cast iron is mainly controlled by the percentage of cementite in it. This is a magnetic. It is a magnetic below the 200 degrees C, which is also showing the magnetic natures.